There are few cars in history that have earned the title of legend. And fewer still that have cemented their place as icons of speed, power, and design. This is the Shelby Cobra, born from the vision of Carroll Shelby. The Cobra first roared to life in the early 1960s. Shelby's idea was simple: combine the power of American muscle with European handling. The result? A car that dominated tracks and became an instant classic. The Shelby Cobra redefined performance, forever changing the landscape of motorsport. At the heart of the Cobra is its monstrous V8 engine. Built to push the limits, this car produces enough raw power to send adrenaline coursing through your veins. A symbol of brute force and engineering mastery. The Cobra can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds, a feat that left competitors in the dust. Inside, the Shelby Cobra stays true to its racing roots. The cabin is minimalist, with every detail designed for the driver. From the racing-inspired bucket seats to the simple yet functional dash, it's a cockpit built for speed. But even in its simplicity, the Cobra's interior exudes a certain elegance that remains timeless. The legacy of the Shelby Cobra goes beyond its numbers. It's a car that has stood the test of time, not just as a performance vehicle but as an icon in automotive history. Its unmistakable silhouette, the roar of its engine, and its record-breaking feats on the track have made it one of the most coveted and respected cars ever made. The Shelby Cobra isn't just a car. It's a piece of history, a symbol of innovation, and a masterpiece of design. For those who know, it represents the pinnacle of what a sports car can be. And for those who dream, it will always be a legend.